In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a very powerful YouTube channel from scratch. I'll also be sharing with you optimization settings that a lot of people don't know about and that would help you optimize your channel and maximize your results. Now, if this is what you're looking for, then let's go. Hello and welcome. My name is Tope Aghomatse. If you're new here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, how to use YouTube to grow your brand or business, or generally learn stuff about YouTube, then start now by subscribing and clicking on that bell so you don't miss anything. Now let's get right into creating your amazing YouTube channel, shall we? Your basic requirement for having a YouTube channel is having a Gmail account. I'll assume you have no Gmail account and I'll quickly show you in 30 seconds how to create one. Now we are here on the Gmail sign up page and I have the option here that says create account. I'm going to click right on that, and here we have a drop down that gives me two options: to create an account for myself or to create an account to manage my business. Now the one for myself is going to give me a personal account. The one to manage my business is going to give me a brand account. And the difference here basically is the personal account is limited in a number of ways, and I do not recommend in this day and age that anyone creates an account for himself or herself. Even if you have no business in view, you want to keep yourself positioned for the opportunity to start a business and have no limitations. So I always recommend you click to manage my business, and this gives you a brand account on YouTube. So here you put your name, your last name, and then follow the instructions to the end, and then you would have your brand new Gmail account. Now let's get onto YouTube. Okay, so now we are on YouTube, and this is what shows at the top right corner if you are not yet signed in, right? So what we're going to do now is sign in with the account I just created. Here we go. Now you can see at the top right that the icon has changed to a letter T, which is the first alphabet in the name of the Gmail I created. So now let's create our channel. Click on the icon and click on create a channel. Get started. Now here you have the opportunity to choose between your Gmail name and a custom name. I'll pick a custom name. Click on I understand and create. Here we go. Now the icon has changed to a letter C. That shows you that your Gmail name and your channel name can completely differ, okay? One of the benefits of having a brand account. So now first step, upload a picture, right? And then tell viewers about your channel. This part is a very important section and it's critical you explain clearly what your channel is about. And one of the pro tips I'll give you here is to include keyword phrases, okay? I'll show you an example in the one I'm about to copy and paste right here. So this is what I used on my personal channel, and I'll just copy and paste it already. So you have a maximum of 1,000 characters, and here I've used 943 out of 1,000 characters, which is fine. Now what I want to show you is the keywords that I included in my about description. I'm all about teaching YouTube. So here you can see I have keyword phrases like YouTube marketing tips, I have YouTube SEO, I have video ranking tips, right? I have YouTube monetization tips. So you want to make sure you include keywords in your about section. It helps your SEO, okay? Now next we want to move to the website. I'll just change this to website. And my Facebook link. If you don't know how to get your links from your social media, open up your social media pages and click on the link at the top. That's your profile link. These are my social media links, and then you click on save and continue. Here we go. The channel has been created and now we want to set up our channel. But before I continue, I want to let you know that I have a free ebook for you down there in the description area that explains 10 elements of a powerful YouTube channel. I have mentioned some in this video already and I will mention a few others. However, in the book, you're going to have more details, in-depth explanation on how to use those 10 elements to create a super solid channel. Now that is for free. You want to grab that ebook after watching this video. I promise it's going to transform your channel. Now let's get back into setting up. So the first thing you need to do to give your channel some kind of structure is to upload your channel art. Okay, I'm going to do that right now. Here you want to click on customize channel. You can see that right there, and we'll go right into setting up. So here you have the room to add a channel art. You can see that right there. So we'll click on it and I'll upload right away a pre-designed channel art. And here you can see the preview of the channel art on desktop, on TV, and on mobile, and it looks really great. So we just select and move to the next thing. Feel free to check the description area below for the video where I explained how I created my channel art, this channel art from scratch using Canva, and I'll show you how you can create yours as well with simple tools provided in the software. Okay, so you can check in the description below for that video or at the top right corner here as soon as it's available. Now, if you are getting value so far, this is a good time to hit that like button and let me know. Now that your channel is beginning to take shape, you want to keep in mind that you need to verify this channel. One thing you need to know is without a channel being verified, you would not be able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. You won't be able to use custom thumbnails. You won't be able to go live on your channel. And also you won't be able to use content ID appeals, and you really don't want to get all that restriction. So you want to verify immediately and move to the important things. So we'll go to the left tab and click on my channel. Then at the top right of your channel, you click on your channel icon and go down to settings. When you get to this page, you'll see this line that reads channel status and features. Click on that. So here we are on the page where we can verify the account, and you can see that button right there that says verify. So we'll click on it and it's going to ask to send some code to your phone. So confirm your country, and I prefer the option of a text message, English, and then click on submit. I'll wait for a minute or two for the verification code to drop on my phone. So I'm back with the code. And here we go. The channel has been verified. Next, you want to click the back button here to go back to your channel. You can see here now that your channel says verified. If this doesn't show, you can refresh and you're going to see it. So at the top right here, we click on return to YouTube Studio, and then we click on the channel icon on the top right to return to the channel front page. Click on customize channel, go to the about section here and continue your customization. So we have the description that you pasted earlier when you started. Right there, your social links are there, and we want to complete our details here. You want to add your email address and location. I'm in Nigeria, and you click on done. Now we go back again to the top left panel and click on my channel. Click on YouTube Studio right here and go to your settings. You can see the settings at the bottom left right there, and start from the channel tab right there. So we have the channel name, and then we can add our channel keywords. Now this is another critical part of setting up your channel. Your channel keywords are basically phrases that tell YouTube what your channel is all about. Okay, you want to keep in mind that this is another important SEO setting. Okay, and then basically what you need here are keyword phrases. For instance, if you are into makeup, you want to say makeup tutorials, makeup tips, makeup product reviews, and stuff like that. So I'll just copy and paste my channel keywords here to make things faster. They look like this. And then now move to the advanced settings right there. If you don't want to display your subscribers, you can uncheck that box. Now move to the next tab called branding. Here you are allowed to add a watermark to your videos. What this means is that while your video is playing, there'll be something that will pop up on this bottom left that would prompt people to subscribe technically. And then here, the tip here is for you to use a square image, right? You can use your profile picture again if you please, or you can use a picture like mine. So here I click on choose image, and I will select this beautiful red subscribe picture, and that will be my watermark. I want it to start showing at a specific time, so I'll click on custom start time, and then I would say maybe it should show from 2 minutes into my video. And let's move to the next tab, eligibility. Okay, my features are enabled, and then you can click on save. Now we still go back to these settings right here to complete the rest of the tab. So we've done the channel settings, and now we can go to upload defaults. Here, of course, you can't have a default title. You can have default description, like half of your description that you are always repeating all the time. You can type that and keep that right there. It will show immediately you are about to upload any new video. And so you just complete with the remaining half of your description that always varies, right? Visibility, I'll keep this to private, so I don't mistakenly publish any video I'm not done working on, right? And then you want to move to the next tab right there that says advanced settings, and be sure that your license is the standard YouTube license. The Creative Commons attribution, which is the second option right here, implies that people can reuse your content. I don't want that, and I would not select that. So I'll stick to the standard YouTube license. My video language is English, UK English. My video category, this will be the default category for all your content. If you are in the film and animation, cars, music, pets, animal, sports, gaming, comedy, entertainment, whatever, you can choose whichever suits you, and I can click on save. Now, quick question, what category does your channel fall into? Let me know in the comment section below. I would like to engage with you. Now, we are still not done with the settings area. Let's go right back. Now let's go to the permissions tab right there. Here is where you can add managers to your channel, editors, and basically if you have a team working with you on your channel and you want to grant them access, this is where you do that. Okay, you don't have to give your login details to anyone, your password, your email. You don't have to do that. All you need to do is come right here and grant access. So to add anyone to your channel, you click on manage permissions right there, and Gmail is going to ask you to confirm if it's you. So type in your password again to confirm you are the one making this change, because it's a big change on your channel. And then now you can click on it again to add people to your channel. So I am the primary owner. I can add by clicking on this plus here, invite new users. Now this is the Gmail account I want to add, and then it would say I should choose a role, and then the next thing you want to do is invite. Now this email address would get your invite and accept in the email, and then become your manager. At this point, the person has access to your channel without necessarily having your login details. So let's click on done. Now let's go back to the settings again at the bottom left here. and we click on channel right there and go to advanced settings. Here you want to select if your content by default is made for kids or not made for kids, or for every video you want to review this option. And then I click on save. Now I want to show you how to see your user ID. Okay, so at the top right of your channel, you go to that icon right there, click on it and go to your channel. And then we click on your channel icon again and move down here to settings. Here you see advanced settings at the left panel. So here you have your user ID. What this basically means is that whenever you're requested for your user ID, you can come over here and copy, okay? And then this is your channel ID. You might need this for third-party apps or anything, so you know how to access it, okay? Now let's go back to your channel. What I want to do next is upload a video called a channel trailer. Your trailer is not your regular video. It sits at the top of your channel and tells people what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. So quickly, I'm going to click on the camera icon right here and upload a video, a very short video. Click on select files right there. And I have a very short video to upload to explain this to you. So wait a second for it to upload. Your title right here could be welcome to my channel. And then take care of your description, upload your thumbnail. All right, the trailer is done processing, and then we can move to the next thing. Of course, you want to make it public by clicking on this option. You can only set public videos as trailers, so you want to publish that first. So there we go. Now we want to turn this into a trailer. It's not yet a trailer by being uploaded. You have to set it to remain at the top. So here we go to customize channel, and then on the home tab you can toggle between these two tabs. Here you have for returning subscribers, for new visitors. So for new visitors is where we want to keep our channel trailer. You can see that right there, channel trailer. So let's add the video we just uploaded, and that's it. That's our trailer right there. And here you can come to this drop down to view your channel as a visitor. Here we go. Now you want to check the description section below to grab your free ebook. That's the YouTube channel checklist, where I explain 10 different elements of a powerful YouTube channel. Trust me, that will transform your channel, and you want to grab that. It's for free. Okay, so check the link below and make sure you download the book. Okay, now that we are done setting up, the next hurdle you want to cross is getting your first 100 subscribers as fast as you can. If you want to learn how I got my first 100 subscribers in my first 3 days of launching my channel, then you can check the card at the end of this video. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video, and until then, keep showing up and keep crushing it. Bye.